Hello and welcome to Market Today. I'm Siddharth Zarabi and we're joined by Bhanu Prakash Srivastava, the Chairman and Managing Director of Bharat Electronics Ltd. That's delivered a stellar set of numbers enthusing the markets. Welcome, Mr. Srivastava, to Business Today Television. Can you walk us through some of the key highlights of FY24 performance?
Yeah, in FY23-24, we have achieved excellent performance on all counts, achieved a turnover of 19,819 crore, which is 14.35% higher than what was there in previous year, 17,333 crores. Our EBITDA is 25.22%, PBT of 5,335 crores. We acquired all-time highest order book of 75,934 on 1st April 2024. One single year, we acquired around 35,000 crore worth order. So all aspects, if you see of the business, we have performed very well.
Mr. Srivastava, given this kind of performance, what is the outlook for the current financial year? You mentioned the order book numbers. If you could also delve into where are some of these major orders coming from?
Next year, the 24-25, if you see, we have given a guidance of around 25,000 crore, which includes variety of the orders. We have not included in big ticket items like QRSAM or similar type of items, but definitely a variety of the item in radar, communication, EW system, electro-optic systems, sonar systems, fire control systems. So these are the tank electronics. So more than around 70-75 line items, which will be more than 100 crores, which will contribute to this 25,000 crore business.
Okay. What about the pricing pressures? We've seen an uptick in commodity prices in the past couple of months. Do you expect that this would have any material impact as far as your margin performance is concerned?
I don't think it will have any material impact, because our thing is the long-term commitment with our supply chain. So whatever we are going to do in this financial year, more or less supply chain that purchase orders and all already tied up. So I don't think that this type of commodity price variation will have any significant impact on our margins.
Therefore, what is the outlook as far as margins for the current financial year is concerned?
We are maintaining a EBITDA of between 23 to 25% in this financial year.
Okay. Mr. Srivastava, do tell our viewers about the contribution from the domestic market as well as the export market, and how do you see both panning out in the current financial year?
We have targeted export turnover of around $110 million, which amounts to roughly around 1,000 crores. This year, all remaining will be domestic sale.
Mr. Srivastava, as far as the government's push towards indigenization in defense is concerned, we have seen those results and you are also participating in that. On a broader basis, what kind of expectations can the market have as far as defense indigenization is concerned and BEL's role and contribution in that?
See, BEL is pushing very hard for indigenization. We have a very strong focus on research and development. We spend around 6%, we spent last year on our research and development. We target to scale up further to in the range of 7 to 8%. We have a 3-tier R&D structure, very well established, and where around 2,700 engineers and scientists, they are working on various technology segments spread across from radar, communication system, electro-optics, laser, sonar systems, fire control systems, even in new like artificial intelligence. All these various technology domains, our R&D teams are working. So definitely we will be able to leverage much more on the government policy on indigenization, and offer to our customers a truly indigenous product in many technology domains.
What kind of Capex plans will this kind of focus involve? Can you provide a color both for the current financial year and perhaps in the medium term as far as Capex plans is concerned?
We spend capex on two accounts. One is that upgrading our infrastructure to take care of that new technology induction, and second is building new factories to take care of significant growth and expansion. So last year we spent around 700 crores on capex. We continue to target spending around 700 to 800 crore next year also. We are building 5 new factories which will become operational from this year to next 1 or 2 years. One factory is almost ready to be inaugurated at Nimaluru Advanced Electro-Optic Factory. One defense system integration complex is coming at Anantapur. Electronic warfare system is coming at Ibrahimpatnam. We are also building one fuse complex in handling of explosive at Nagpur, one for aerospace product in Devanhalli. We have also working with the UP government for bringing out one MRO and manufacturing facility in Agra corridor, where UP government has already committed a land of around 175 acres. So these are the various new facilities which are going to come apart from upgradation of existing infrastructure.
All right. This year, financial year 24, that's just been closed. Your revenue, EBITDA, and profits have been the best ever, both on a quarterly as well as annual basis.
Yeah.
Do you think that this kind of performance is going to be repeated, Mr. Srivastava?
Yeah, definitely we are going to at least maintain this and try for some improvements if possible.
Okay, you will also try for some improvements. Mr. Srivastava, before I let you go, is there anything that you would like to tell our viewers in terms of non-defense contribution to your product profile and future revenues? Is there a focus as far as non-defense items are concerned, both for the domestic and export markets?
Yes, see, it's our endeavor to utilize our expertise in knowledge and technologies related with defense for non-defense applications. And that's how we have been working for offering the solution in non-defense area. Significance, one, I will just tell you, one is that with our tie-up with Airport Authority of India, we have truly developed a truly indigenous airport surveillance radar, which we got that trade certification also last week. Then we have developed air traffic management system. We have made it operational at Bhubaneswar Airport. So this is one area where we are targeting. We have signed an MOU with Delhi Metro and working for indigenization of many metro solutions. Few of them are already indigenized, like indigenous automatic train supervision system, which is operational at Red Line in Delhi Metro. We have indigenized platform screen door. We already installed one at Duhai railway station. Then we got the order from MP Metro and many more metro. We are working on that. We are working with Delhi Metro on development of computer-based train control system. We have also tied up and signed an MOU with BEL for developing that TCMS for their railway supply. Similarly, there are other applications like working with railway. We have one of our unit has been provisionally cleared for manufacture of Kavach system. We have also tied up with railway for integrating Kavach system. We have given a prototype that is called the Centralized Intelligent Kavach Monitoring System to Indian Railway. Some places it has been installed for trial. So these are the various areas of non-defense where we are working. We have been in we have provided integrated perimeter security for Air Force and Navy. Now we would like to offer it to civilian applications also to take care of security concern. We have created a vertical for cyber security solutions. We are offering cyber security solutions. We are working with AIMS to provide them the cyber security solutions. Some other customers also we are working. So these are the area where we are leveraging our expertise in defense field to offer for civilian application. Anti-drone system we have supplied to all three services. Now we are offering it to BSF and paramilitary forces also. We can scale it down for a smaller scale for some civilian, critical civilian applications also. So these are the products which we are targeting for civilian application, which are the offshoots of our expertise in defense field.
Absolutely. And just one quick point, the overall homeland security space, and you have just now explained many of the aspects, that is growing. There's a lot of investment that is being made all across at various levels. Is it possible for you to give us a number of how large a business opportunity does the homeland security space overall provide?
See, we are very cautious in this because there are many players involved. So, though opportunities are huge, but our approach is cautious in this. So, we do some critical application and critical projects. We don't want to just expand it in a very fast way and then end up in some problems. So, our approach in homeland security and all is a cautious approach. Wherever there is a technology contribution, value addition in that, we are focusing on those areas.
Does the chip manufacturing, integration, testing, assembly space at all interest you? I know that there are others in this space, but I'm just asking this question whether you have toyed with that sector as well.
Which one, sir?
Semiconductor chips.
Semiconductor chips, yes, both BEL and HAL, we tried to enter, but then as of now it is on hold because many other private sector, big private sector, they are focusing on this business segment. So at that level of chip manufacturing, yes, as of now we are not there, but at lower level for some applications we are working. We have our own chip design center in Bharat Electronics, who they do design chips and then we get it manufactured for some specific application from foundries abroad. If that facility available in India, we'll definitely utilize that.
Absolutely, Mr. Srivastava. You are an Indian champion, and the markets have recognized that. Various brokerages have given a very positive call on your stock. And viewers, there is a possibility, according to various reports, that BEL may be included in the Nifty when the next rejig happens, possibly around September. And Mr. Srivastava, we'll try and connect with you again on the next quarter and when that development happens. Thank you very much for your time with us today to provide us a quick glimpse into Bharat Electronics Limited. With that, it's a wrap. We'll be back with more. Until then, goodbye.